Yeah, I think it gets a lot of attention because we're talking about big numbers. So for CBA, for example, it's almost 100 billion that will be maturing, rolling over from fixed to variable in the next 12 months. So, that's 20% of their loan book. So we're talking about big numbers. But I think what is overlooked is, within those borrowers, we don't necessarily know how many borrowed at capacity, what their income levels are, what their average LVRs are, how much equity they have, what other assets they have. We've had rental increases, we've had wage increases. So just because that buffer has been eroded doesn't mean everyone in that bucket is now going to be under extreme pressure. Yes, there will be some that that as much as they cut back probably did overextend and they'll be in trouble, but we think that'll be a small percentage of borrowers. Most recent bank results, banks lifted collective provisions only slightly. So, they have better data than we do on their customer base and their loan books, and they seem pretty comfortable today. Some banks even made the comment that the customers that have matured to date, they're not in arrears or performing any worse than the rest of their loan book as well. So some comforting signs, but yeah, we're expecting more. We go from a period where bad debts have been non-existent to go back to more longer term averages. Yes, it'll be pressure on serviceability, but we're coming from a really good starting position in terms of savings balances. People ahead on their loan repayments, equity buffers, and unemployment is low. So we're still quite confident in the outlook.
Any advice in this video is general advice or regulated financial advice under New Zealand law prepared by Morningstar Australasia Proprietary Limited and or Morningstar Research Limited without reference to your financial objectives, situation or needs. You should consider the advice in light of these matters and any relevant product disclosure statement before making any decision to invest. To obtain advice for your own situation, contact a financial advisor.